If you're someone who has unlisted shares and looking to file taxes, then this video is for you. Unlisted shares in India refer to the shares of companies that are not listed on any recognized stock exchange like Bombay Stock Exchange or National Stock Exchange. These shares belong to private companies and are not publicly traded. Owners of unlisted shares typically include the company's founders, early investors, employees, and private equity stakeholders. In India, the taxation of unlisted shares is based on the duration the shares are held. Long-term capital gain tax applies when the unlisted shares are sold after being held for more than 24 months. These gains are taxed at 20% with indexation benefits to account for inflation. Short-term capital gains tax applies if the shares are held for 24 months or less, and these gains are taxed according to the investor's income tax slab as regular income. Now, let's understand how to file taxes of unlisted shares on ClearTax. Simply log into your ClearTax account, link your PAN card to pre-fill all your details, and after that, navigate to the Income Sources section and go to Capital Gains Income, and then click on Add Details. Under the Stocks and Mutual Fund section, go to Add Details manually and click on Add Details. Select the type of asset as unlisted securities and enter the date of sale and purchase of securities. Now, enter the description of the asset sold along with the total sale price and purchase price. Your data has now been added successfully. Once you have added the details, simply click on Continue and proceed with completing your ITR filing process. Post e-filing, you can navigate further to e-verification and complete the verification process. So, that's how easy it is to file taxes for unlisted shares on ClearTax. What are you waiting for? Visit cleartax.in to file your taxes now. And for any support related query, you can write to us on support@cleartax.in.